Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are in the kitchen again with another episode. I know lately I've been doing the hand thing, so you guys haven't been seeing my face, and I've been doing the hand cooking. But today, guys, we have a very delicious hamburger. Well, it's gonna be chicken burger, right?
Chicken patty.
Chicken patty. Chicken burger.
Chicken sandwich.
Well, it has to be beef for it to be burger, so we call it chicken sandwich.
Mm-hmm.
Chicken patty, chicken burger.
Chicken sandwich.
Whatever it is, it's gonna be good. Also, we have pineapple here. We're gonna make some ginger. We have some ginger here, guys. We're gonna make some ginger, pineapple with some lemon lime. It's gonna be a refreshing drink. Pineapple. We're gonna boil the pineapple peel along with the ginger root to make a delicious drink. And we're gonna top it off with some other little ingredients as we go. Okay, guys, before we start make my juice, I'm gonna get me a little drink. It's Friday, it's payday. Hope everybody is feeling good. When you open that pay stuff, guys, I hope y'all see a lot of zeros, okay? You know, I like to see a lot of zeros. Here we are with some Seagram lime vodka. So let's go ahead and pour a little drink. First, let's get some ice from the tray. Need some more ice here. I like a lot of ice in my glass. So let's get the thing going. Put some Seagram in here. About that's a lot. Okay, let's put a Red Bull in there, say. Put a Red Bull, some energy. There we go. Let's give it a try. Takes a lot of lemon. Has a lot of lime in there. So it does a lime vodka anyway. Have a lot of lime taste to it, but you have a kick to it too. Pretty good. Alright, put this to the side and let's get down to business. So here is our pineapple, guy. Nice pineapple. So let's give it some wash. Let's clean our pineapple up. First, get a bowl. Put your pineapple in the bowl. And then we're going to get some vinegar, distilled vinegar, and pour into the water. And we are using warm water to kill anything on it, to make it nice and clean. With a nice little wash in the vinegar water. Then we're going to go ahead and peel it. Okay, guys, so now that we have our peel, it's time for us to go boil the peel. So we're going to go ahead and put it in the pot. We got some water over here. And we're going to go ahead and put the peel in the pot. And we are going to boil it. It's a piece of pineapple. Give it some more flavor.
That looks good.
Just like that.
In there. That looks good.
Nice, good pineapple juice. Here we have a pineapple, guys, and it's time for us to go and cut it up. For me, I like to cut up my pineapple. Start, move this little blemish from the side. Let me get these out. You know, pineapple is a nice, delicious, refreshing drink. Cut it down here. 2 halves.
Now it looks good.
For me, I'm going to cut it again. Another half.
That looks like.
And in the pineapple, guy, there's something we call the stem or the heart. Just cut it out by cutting along right here without wasting much of your pineapple. See, this is the heart. This part right here is hard to heat. It's hard. So what you do, you cut it up and you can put it in your pan. And we're gonna boil that as well. So let's cut all of them out. Let's go. Cut them out. Here we are. Gonna cut this one out as well. Here we go. Another one. It's the last one. And we're gonna go to the pot. We're gonna cut them up into the pot right here. gonna boil those. We ain't gonna waste anything from this pineapple. I'm gonna use everything up. Like what them say, yard man style. Alright. Let's get all my pineapple in my pot. Here we are, guys. This part right here, we're not gonna boil this. This is a part is, you know, whoever in the kitchen can eat, like little Aiden right now. You wanna try a piece? So we're going to slice this up. You wanna try a pineapple? You wish I was in Jamaica. Nobody would refuse a piece of pineapple. Come on now. Do you receive pineapple when you're in Jamaica, Alexi?
Pineapple?
Do you refuse a piece of pineapple?
No.
It's a very refreshing fruit. They didn't say you wanted to try it now. So we'll cut this up, guys. And you can eat this right now if you want, later on.
How do you make that without those stuff being
Put it
cut?
right here.
How do you make those
You can have
without
some
them?
pineapple just like this.
How do you make them without being cut?
Without being cut. 'Cause you gotta be a chef. You gotta be skilled in the kitchen. This is where we go. So next thing we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna wash our board off. Get it nice and clean.
My camera being
Wash our board off again. And then we're gonna deal with our ginger root. We have our ginger root right here. And we're gonna go ahead and prep our ginger. And all you gotta do is just cut your ginger up anyhow you like. There's no special cut for this process, because you're gonna boil them. Cut them up in small pieces if that's how you like it. The smaller you cut is better. You can get more of the juice out of it.
So you're cutting it in
And if you want,
in circles.
you can boil it and then blend it. You can blend it in the blender and then strain it. And I believe that's how we're gonna do it today too. So stick around with us and you'll see how we do it. This pineapple refreshing juice is gonna be strong. It's gonna have a lot of ginger taste to it. Especially in the summertime, guys. This is the perfect drink, refreshing drink for the summertime. So let's go ahead and put this in the pot. There we go.
What you doing?
So we're gonna give it a stir. Get it all synchronized. Pretty good, guys. As you know, here's my pineapple. I'm gonna go ahead and try a piece. See what it tastes like.
Sweet.
Very sweet. Very sweet. That's a refreshing taste. A little bit more Red Bull and a little bit more lime. You know what? Let me try some of my overproof Jamaican Ray and Nevio. Yeah, if you're a Jamaican, you know this. Them boy down at Jamaica right now on the street corner, they are drinking this right now. Are playing dominoes. So put a little bit more in here. Put it to the side. Take a piece of pineapple. And you just drop it inside there. Put a piece of pineapple in there. I'm gonna give it some pineapple flavor. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, guys. I have my ginger roots and pineapple peels boiling all down together. This is how it works, guys. To get the best results, it's good to boil it all the way through. And when you finish boil it, you just cut the fire out. Cut the fire out and let it sit out overnight. Cover it up and let it sit out overnight until in the morning you go ahead and drain it off and strain it. That is the best result, guys. Usually have it sit overnight. So that means all the liquid and everything can have the full strength from the ginger and pineapple. So tomorrow morning we're going to wrap this video up. I'm going to show you what is the result like for your pineapple ginger when you have it sit overnight. So we're gonna continue this video, guys, in the morning.
Goodbye.
Yes, guys. So last night we were working on the pineapple juice. We were boiling it with the ginger and all that good stuff. So I told you guys we have to leave it so it has to sit overnight. So now is the morning and we are about to finish it up. My assistant is obviously in college, so she's working on her classes right now. So I have to be trying to do everything on my own. So hopefully I can wrap this up and let you guys see what's going on in the end and the ending. This is what it looks like, guys. It's been sitting overnight. And look at that. You can see that pineapple flavor start showing already. That color, the ginger. That thing smells so good. So let's go finish this thing up. In the footage of what? Okay, so we're transferring the pineapple into the blender, and we might have to make 2 blending because it's probably too much. No holes. Get everything in there. Maybe I'll just go ahead and blend this first. Where's my blender cover? Go ahead and give this a chop. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put in the rest in here. Finish the blend. We have a lot of pieces of pineapple and ginger. See if I can pour it out. Got some juice in here. Oh man, it smells good already. I'm dropping things. It's a lot of juice. Get everything out of it. Okay, that's good. Here it is, guys. This is what it looked like up here. It's time for us to go ahead and strain it. Okay. First, we're going to put it in here. We're going to strain it. So, I want to stir this a little bit. Not to stir too hard because you don't want to force any of the peel or the pineapple into the strain out juice. Looking good. You want to get all the liquid out of it. Okay guys, so this is what you want to do. This is the coarse strainer. So you're going to strain it through this one first. And after you finish straining, you want to restrain it again in a more refined strainer like this, because you have some sediments left in there. So you want to use 2 different strainer, so you can get it without the pulps in there. So this is what it looks like when you double strain it. Look at that, guys. That's almost half of how many ounces did this thing holds. This holds like, I believe 60 cups, something like that. But anyway, this is a good amount of juice from a pineapple peel. along with my ginger. And the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add a little lime to it. We have a lemon, we have a lime right here. We're gonna add a lime juice to it to give it that taste. And when you finish, this is what the sediments left out of it. So you wanna strain this out and look in the bottom. Looking good, looking good. That's a delicious juicing right there, guys. And like I said before, if you want, you could add some Seagram lime vodka. It has a lemon, it has the lime in there too, and then the vodka you can add in there. If you want to turn it into a punch, you can add some overproof white rum in there, some Bacardi, what type of vodka you want to add in there. You can add some vodka in there, turn it into a punch. Or if you want to leave it the way it is and just serve it over ice, just put a little bit of sugar in there, sweeten it to taste. Not too much sugar, just to sweeten it to taste. And you can enjoy it over some ice, just like that. Or if you want to turn it into a punch, if you want to put some liquor in there, this is the perfect one to use. The lime flavored vodka or the Bacardi. You can choose any one of these three to add in there to make a nice, refreshing punch. You can use the brown sugar or you can use the white sugar. The brown sugar has more potency in there. I like the brown sugar more than the white sugar. But the sugar you use is your choice, okay? You can use the white sugar or the brown sugar. I like to use the brown sugar, so I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons in there. I don't want to get too much sugar in there. This should be fine. Give it a stir. So all you gotta do, guys, is just sweeten it to taste. Not too sweet. That's the way you want it. Okay guys, here we are. Refreshing pineapple drink. This is what it's all come down to. Very refreshing pineapple drink. Ginger, pineapple, and lime. Enjoy. There's some left over for the family or for you when you come back later. And remember guys, you can spice it up. You can add something to it if you want. The choice is yours. For my purpose, I'm not going to add those. I only put them for display so you can see what you can add to it. Cause I cannot drink that right now. Maybe later on when I'm relaxing and chilling. But just giving you options guys, what you can use. Enjoy. Okay guys, so thank you for hanging out with me today in the kitchen, and today is a juicing day. Also in this video guys, remember to give this a thumbs up, share, like, and if it's your first time on the channel, please subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button guys. All you're doing is helping out the channel by hitting the thumbs up. Hitting the thumbs up guys is very important to the channel. It allows the YouTube algorithm to share the video with more people, so more people can come across the channel and learn about this video. So keep hitting the thumbs up button. I appreciate all of you guys who always hit the thumbs up button or leave a comment. Yeah, and let's leave some more comment on the channel. Some of you guys been watching, but you guys aren't saying anything to me. Talk to me, guys. Left something on the channel. That's the way I will know you are here and you are supporting the channel. Until next video, guys. Safe, walk good, more love, enjoy your juice like me in the kitchen. I wish you could share it. You understand? Toast to it, but you know things that already. Yardman Kitchen. Enjoy yourself. One love, peace, and walk good.